What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY hair cleanser for curly hair using Reetha powder. And honestly guys, Reetha powder makes for an amazing cleanser. It suds up and it leaves your scalp feeling super refreshed and clean. So if you want to know exactly how to have clean hair like me and promote your hair growth using a shampoo, then stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. So first, you're going to want to start out with some Reetha powder and add 2 tablespoons of Reetha powder into a container where you're going to mix other powders in. And Reetha powder is basically the soap nut in powdered form, so whenever you add water to it, it's going to start to foam up. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of shikaikai powder, and shikaikai powder is going to help add more cleansing and conditioning properties to the shampoo. And just to avoid drying your hair out, just add about 1 tablespoon of Amla powder to have even more conditioning benefits. Now we're going to add some butters to this, and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon to half a tablespoon of shea butter into a bowl. Then I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of grapeseed oil and melt it using the double boiler method, where basically you place a bowl over some hot water and wait till it melts. This just melts everything while protecting the nutrients. Then I'm going to add it to our powders and mix it all in there. Now it's time to add about 2 to 3 cups of water to this mix. And as you can see, the mixture is already foaming up. It's going to have amazing cleansing benefits to your hair and scalp. Now just mix everything all together and add more water as needed. Now for easier application, I'm placing this into a large applicator bottle. I kind of made a mess, but that's okay. You could always use a funnel to make it easier to transfer into a bottle. And then I'm just going to shake it up to make sure that everything is evenly converted and mixed with the water. And here's the final result, and look at how much foam is in there. You could tell that this is going to be a great cleanser for your natural hair. So now here I'm starting on about 3 to 5 day hair that hasn't been washed, and I'm just making sure to thoroughly coat my scalp with this. And this natural shampoo does not foam like a commercial shampoo. So that's one thing that I had to get used to, is the lack of huge foams like commercial shampoo. But I do know that it is still doing the job, because honestly it left my hair super clean. I'm just applying it and then massaging it in to make sure that all the dirt and everything from the week is just lifted up out of my hair and my scalp. So I'm not really using water because this is a shampoo that is really rich in water. So I'm just going to make sure that my hair is just thoroughly saturated with this shampoo. So let me know down below in the comments, is this a shampoo that you'll be trying? And what do you think about it so far? Now I'm just gonna rub it in and then make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated, even making sure that the middle sections of my hair are covered. And guys, just a fair warning, this stuff will burn if it gets in your eyes. It kind of got in mine and left it red and burning for about a minute. So yeah, just don't let this get in your eyes. And here are my final finished results, and my hair is looking so smooth and so shiny, and I'm absolutely in love because my scalp was feeling so dry and kind of itchy before, and then I used this shampoo and it literally just went away. Please like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below.